Good day. So today, let's discuss about a certain study on wind energy, which is medium-sized wind turbine, an alternative power source for each household. It was an experimental research about using wind energy and creating wind turbines made out of recycled materials like plastic oil container and recycled fan motors. With the increasing price of electricity and rate of pollution in our society, having a source of cheap and renewable energy could help most of the families, especially the less fortunate ones. Why pursuing this research? Conducting this research, results was then added as additional information on using wind energy at its convenience, and helping normal people to be given some ideas about how possible it is to create their own renewable energy source and reducing their carbon footprint. What's the goal? The general goal of this study is to create a normal size, convenient, and useful wind turbine. Specifically, to lessen the expenses on electric bills, promoting the use of wind turbine and wind energy, and learning the advantages of using it. And to fulfill these objectives, the researcher asked for authority to do an experiment near a residential area of Christian village Waulanodul Sur. The researcher created a wind turbine made of recycled materials, checked its work produced 3 times a day for 5 days, get the average electricity produced, and compared it to the used energy of the prioritized citizens below middle class families in order to know if it's possible for the wind turbine to lessen their bills on daily usage of electricity. After doing the experiment, the result shows that poor families are commonly using electricity only for their lights per night, and that the power output of the created wind turbine per day, which is 600 watts, are twice than their used energy, and it is expected to lessen their electricity bills by about 50% to 90% and 18% of personal carbon footprint. Fulfillment of objectives. To provide the certain conclusion of this study, objectives must be answered. For objective number 1, which is lessen the expenses for electric bills of household, the result shows that wind turbine was expected to lessen the electric bills of poor families up to 50 to 90%. For the second objective, which is promoting the use of wind turbine as a power source, the good result of the study and the setting of the research, which is near the residential area, it is expected that this study gives them a good impression about creating their own wind turbine as a power source. And for the last objective, which is determining the advantages of using wind turbine, overall result of this study talks about the advantages of using wind energy. And it says that it lessens the user's expenses on electric bills, reduce individuals' carbon footprint, and also promoting projects that could improve our planet like this study.